ngayon pilit nyo siyang minamasama? I am not, and I cannot be a judge of man's spirituality, but I am a witness to and a believer in his power. Mabuti pa yung man was blind na lang. Yung Pharisees and their follower victims, blind pa rin. At marami, 2,000 years later, up to now, blind pa rin. Yung tao ang symbol of ancient Israelites and Jews na blind from birth, pero tumanggap ng kaliwanagan, may tumanggap, may hindi. Kaya to as many as received Him, who believed in His name, He gave the right to become children of God. Umalis tayo sa kwento at pumunta tayo sa buhay natin ngayon. Kayo ba, naniwala na talaga kay Jesus? Tinanggap niyo na ba talaga? Dahil kung nangyari yon, yung kabulagan mo mawawala, yung kaparalitikuhan mo mawawala, yung tigas ng puso mawawala, yung mga pagod, hirap, takot mawawala, because Jesus came to heal and to give rest. Na, ani na ba natin ang dapat na bunga ng ating relihiyon? O relihiyon ng relihiyon, week after week, month after month, year after year, pero wala naman yung bunga.